Hey guys, is there anyone who might be desperate for a homecoming date? It needs a very smart, very intelligent, very handsome 6'4" performative male who can play guitar. Also, did I mention they can play guitar? Who plays guitar?
Here is a girl. It takes too much to fill her world, full of quick satisfaction. Everything's a distraction from the way she feels in her brain, behind the curls of her bleached up hair. There's people dancing everywhere, but at this boy she stares, she stares, she stares. She's looking for fun, she's not looking for the one. He can get the job done. So she says, meet me upstairs, 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 upstairs.